meeting. We're going to do anticipation, meeting traffic, and planning and clearance. So I'm going to talk you through. Is okay?
Yeah,
fine.
thank you.
So we're going to move off from here. Checking over the shoulder. So this car's coming. I'm going to wait for this car.
Yeah.
Second, third car coming fast. So they're taking already crown of road.
Yeah.
So there's car behind us also.
Behind us, yeah.
So I'm going to wait for them. Nothing behind and front is clear. Shoulder signal up. Position out on the crown of the road now. And I'm gonna check your inside left mirror and move to the left side. Here. Slow down. If this car want to turn left here, so I'm gonna hold back here. Coming, check the inside right mirror and position crown of the road here. Exactly here. Not left or right, just crown of the road. So now this car coming, we check mirror and position to the left side, inside left, and hold back here. In case this car want to turn right here, I'm gonna hold back here. Check inside right mirror, no one trying to overtake you. And now this car coming out, so I'm gonna hold back, let them go into this gap on my right hand side, and hold my crown of road. Check my mirrors again and hold the crown. Now that car, the gap on my left hand side, that's my gap to go in.
Yeah.
I'm going to check inside left for the cyclist, move here. I don't have to stop or roll the car and check inside right mirror and we go around it. Can we turn left from here at this time of the day?
4 o'clock. 3:45. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm taking next road.
3:45.
So I'm taking next road left. Mirror signal left here and slow down. Now I'm going to stay here until I pass this car on my left hand side. And now here, checking this side. The car is coming, checking from that car on the road in ahead. So it's a crossroad. Cyclist coming up. Looking left, no person walking in front of me. That car not giving a signal, going straight. Cyclist is here. So I have parked car on my side, but this van is coming out, so I'm going to slow down here. The cyclist is there, and then the restriction bollards are there.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to overtake, I'm going to stay behind it. I'm going to check this way, left mirror for the cyclist. I'm going to stay behind the cyclist in this restriction. Pinch point. I'm going to hold back, stay behind. Now I'm looking on my right mirror, move out. Width of car is there for the cyclist. And check my left mirror for cycling, position myself in the middle of the road now. So I'm going to check inside left mirror and position back to the left side here. Now, see the parked car on my right hand side in front?
Yeah.
So if the car is coming from the opposite one, so they go over the line. So I have to accommodate them by looking the mirrors for the cyclist and give them some space to go.
Yeah.
Now there's a vehicle on my side now. And there is restriction bollards also. Refuge island. I'm going to check my mirrors, move out early, and position here and slow down. Before I go back left, check the mirror for the cyclist. I'm taking the second road left. This is the first one, which is 30 miles per hour. I'm going to mirror signal left now and slow down. Now this is 30-mile road. Look at the road condition.
Yeah.
We drive according to road condition, not the speed limit as a target. So now we're checking the mirrors and my position on the crown of the road here.
Yeah.
So now here, speed
6, 7, yeah.
5 miles. I was like 4 miles.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna pull up it.
Yeah.
So there's a vehicle coming up. There is giving the signal is gone now. Speed humps. Checking the mirrors. Yes, parked car are there, so we anticipate from the parker can open the door looking through the car. Reflections. That car just pulled up there, so they might be opening the door. I can see the ice cream van.
Yeah.
Kids might be around that van. Scanning the mirror and slow down here. Now that's van with the lights on.
Yes.
We try to look around that underneath van, any feet movement, shadow movement, and now we're going to slow down. Look over the shoulder. This way now, looking over the line, anything coming toward you. Look at the
Yeah.
reflection of the houses. Position to the left side now, and we hold back. Clear. We go. We take the next road right hand side. The mirror signal up right here. Slow down.
Fan coming is.
Now hold back here and see the van. Behind the van maybe another vehicle also. I'm going up to my reference point.
Yeah.